Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment so you don't miss out on money-saving tips and ultimately achieving financial freedom with the concepts presented in these videos that are priceless. Hi, in this quick video I'm going to be talking about something quite crucial. How to set and create automatic deductions / investments using Fidelity. What do I mean by this? If you have a Fidelity account, then once your paycheck hits your bank, let's say on the 1st of every month, you can invest some portion of that money that's residing in your bank in a reoccurring basis through the mutual funds on Fidelity. And I'm going to quickly walk through this process. I think this is the set it and don't forget it philosophy that I can think of. And I think it's crucial to do this because what people end up not doing is initially putting the money in and investing in something. This helps you overcome that initial hurdle. So let's get right into it. Go to fidelity.com, click on login, log into your username and password. And up here and to the right, you're going to click Accounts and Trade and go down to Transfers. You're going to find Manage Automatic Investments. We're going to be looking at the left component, Automatic Investments. If you needed to do reoccurring transfers and withdrawals, that is possible here as well, but I'm not interested in that at the moment. But you may be if you meet some minimum deduction requirements, RDMs, towards the tail end of your career, and you need to pull out money on a reoccurring basis. That might be useful. Let's click here for Set Up Automatic Investments, and if you click on the pull-down menu, it will show your Fidelity accounts. I want to work with my Roth IRA account, so going to click that. I will click an external bank account. I don't want money coming in from where it is and shifting, because this one assumes I've already put in the money there and I'm going to be working with that money or that fund. But here it assumes I'm going to be coming in from an external bank. I'm going to select the bank that I wish to use to transfer money from, meaning where the money is coming from. And then if I'm already in my Roth IRA account, but if I click on Transfer To and I click on your brokerage core account, that means it will just put the money there, but it will do nothing with it. I want it to do something with it, so I'm going to select this instead, where it says or mutual fund you own. And here I'm going to pick the drop down and I'm going to pick the only one I have in there. As you may have a completely different list based on what you have been working with. You can purchase some share of that mutual fund and it will allow you to see more in this list if that's not the one you want to see. It's showing us your Fidelity IRA 2022 contribution limits here, what has been contributed and what has not. Remember not to exceed the limit. And let's set an amount. And then we will come down here, and I want to do this on a monthly basis. And I do not want an end date. If I need to cancel or change it, I can do that later on. Since the money for me is likely going to come in on the 1st, so I'm going to change that to the 2nd. I think that's good enough. And then let's scroll down here and hit next. It's saying transfer from here, transfer to here, and monthly on the 2nd, and no end date. We can scroll through those, and you should probably read that. And I will click agree. And there it is. It's done. And remember to keep an eye on your bank account to verify you have sufficient funds. Also remember that investments change and you need to monitor your profile and make adjustments accordingly. Don't just set it and completely forget it. You need to be an active participant and understand what you're doing. There is always a risk to investing and there are no guarantees. Hope this video helped. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We hope you found it useful and hopefully it solved a problem you were facing. Remember that you will find step-by-step information on our blog pages on every topic covered by each video, and our products page showcases each item we have discussed to date. You can find us at squareq.com. Now we will quickly tell you why it benefits you to subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment. Simply put, we believe we will get wealthy together by saving money and making far better decisions. We always try to skip the fluff and get to the point so we don't waste anyone's time. As you can see, a massive amount of time and effort goes into each video. The videos are good, the content is priceless. As we grow, we will always give back to our subscriber base. We hope you act now and subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. Because if you are not able to take action, then this opportunity will simply pass you by. Good day.